Okay, Om Shanti. Welcome everyone to online guided meditation session. So, we will get started with our session now. And the topic I chose for today's session is overthinking. How to stop overthinking, right? We all know that from time to time we do have this pattern of thoughts which drives us um, into having more number of thoughts. That's basically overthinking uh, about something, about a person, or could be about a situation, or it could be something which happened in past, or something which will be happening in future. And sometimes we think that it is okay to overthink because that's the only way we can approach to a solution. But it all depends, and from my past experience, overthinking in most of the cases is not fruitful because each and every thought, it either depletes the soul power or either it recharges the soul. So let's say when you are thinking positive about something, it is actually recharging the soul. But when you are constantly creating negative or waste thoughts about anything, it depletes the soul power. So, uh, and let's say when we mostly want to think of the future or some problem of the past, there are some things which need to be given a thought. Uh, yes, like for example, you have a debt which you want to clear it, and it's yes, sometimes if it keeps coming to you over and over and again, you might need to give it an attention, but not for a long time. Because when you are doing this or indulging into this overthinking process, uh, it's it's not fruitful. But when you have a good mindset and when you have a meditative mindset, the more you practice spirituality in your daily life, you will have very few thoughts, and within these few thoughts, you can reach to a conclusive, a more valid solution. So, this is possible. Um, and for this, there are few methods which I will, and there are some precautions, of course, which you have to take in order to stay away from the habit of overthinking. And like everything, even these days, overthinking has become an habit. So, like every morning we get up and we just brush, right? And similarly, this overthinking has also become so part of the subconscious mind that it's hard to get rid of this habit. But that's where spirituality comes and it rescues. So, practice of your true identity, that you are a soul and you are on this journey of life, and you have a beautiful father with you, that is your supreme father. The more you connect with this being by considering yourself to be a soul, you can be eventually get freed from this habit of overthinking. So, with that said, let's begin with the meditation now. So, sit back comfortably and let your body relax, and let your spine muscles relax. Now, we will do some breathing exercise. Start by inhale, inhale deeply, and fill your body parts with fresh oxygen. And exhale. Let the air travel out, and if you are holding stress in any body part, let it loosen up. Make sure your body is relaxed. It's not too stiff, just in a very relaxed manner. Again, breathe in, inhale deeply, and exhale deeply. Again, inhale deeply and exhale deeply. Now bring your attention inwards. You bring your attention towards the part of your mind that does the job of thinking. Now take a closer look at your mind. Although you cannot see it physically, but you can feel it. You can feel each thought that your mind creates and it puts up on the screen. For example, when I say mango, immediately your mind creates an image of mango and it places in front of the mind screen. So, although you cannot see the mind physically, but you can feel each and every thought you have. And mind has got a lot of creative energy. And as a soul, as a king of my mind, it's my responsibility to make sure that mind is not troubling me by creating unnecessary thoughts. So I make my mind my true friend. I request my friend to disconnect from everything around me and to just stay calm, focused, and concentrated. To focus on who I am, to focus on this truth, on this reality that I, the soul, I am the master of this body. I am the master of my mind and my intellect. Now deeply realize this point that I, the soul, I am master of my mind, my intellect, and my body. Just like body obeys my each instruction, I can also instruct my mind because mind is my own friend. And I counsel my mind to never step into the zone of overthinking because overthinking is not fruitful. And I do accept that because of this previous habit of overthinking, Sometimes I do overthink, but I acknowledge that I want to free myself from this habit of overthinking. Now, spirituality defines that it is possible to live a more simple life with only few thoughts a day. And the key principle in spirituality is to not to give sorrow to anyone, not externally, neither through your words or neither through your actions, but also not also through your thoughts. Because what we give, it returns back to us. That's why, if you notice, usually when there is a conflict, even though we try hard to detach ourselves, it might not be possible. That's because when we give sorrow, the other person also has same kind of thoughts. But it also works in the opposite direction. If I can send pure and powerful thoughts, have good wishes and pure feelings towards everyone who I interact with, then my mind will not go into overdrive, and it is possible to have very few thoughts. And the other place where usually mind goes into overdrive or into overthinking is when we bring something expensive or when we do some kind of a risky investment that usually involves high amounts of transactions, financial transactions. Instead, if I can stay simply or embrace simplicity, I can have very few thoughts. people are not so good to us, the easiest way to avoid overthinking is to just remind ourselves about the specialities of this person or about the times when this person helped you. This will soothe the thoughts. And I now connect with the Supreme Being and I establish a relationship, whatever relationship you want to experience with this being. Maybe that of a friend, or maybe that of your companion. You can talk to him and you can give all the excess thoughts and see yourself becoming light. And just be assured that your problem is now taken care of because this being loves you and he listens to you. And now, having recharged, and just keep this thought in the awareness that you are not alone in your journey of life, but you have this true companion with you. And also to remind yourself that each thought costs soul power and each thought has the capacity to recharge the soul, and it also has the power to discharge the soul. So be wise when you are thinking. Don't let the thoughts drain your energy. Om Shanti. I am peace. Om Shanti. Sure, Arundhati, I will send you the recording. Thank you all for joining. We will meet in our next class, that is on Thursday. And Arundhati, did you receive the recordings which I sent last time?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, I will send it to the same email.
All right. Please send me all the recordings. So I might have to miss it next week. If you record it and send that one too.
Next week?
Yeah, next Tuesday I'm not going to be home. So.
Okay, sure. Definitely, yeah. I will do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Bye-bye. Take care, everyone.